Hello everybody, welcome back to the fourth lesson, Our Country, India. This is the book back question answers. So let's see into it. Page number 24, exercise A. Write T for true and F for false sentences. The first one, India is the third most populated country in the world. The answer is false. Second, the Himalayas is the highest mountain range in the world. The answer is true. Third, it is very cold at night in the desert. The answer is true. All rivers in India get water from melting snow in the mountains. The answer is false. Fifth one, all rivers make the Gangetic plain very fertile. The right answer is true. Sixth one, it is neither too hot nor too cold in the Deccan Plateau. The answer is true. Defined in a sentence. Desert. Desert is a large area of land that is covered with sand. Peninsula. A peninsula is a piece of land jutting into the sea and surrounded by large bodies of water on three sides. Island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Plateau. A plateau is a flat-topped land raised above the surrounding land. Plain. A plain is a large expanse of flat or gently rolling land. Answer the following questions. Name any 5 rivers of India. The Ganga River, the Sutlej River, the Brahmaputra River, the Kaveri River, the Narmada River. Why are the northern plains thickly populated? Answer. The northern plains are thickly populated because many rivers flow through this region. It is rich and fertile for agriculture. Many well-known cities and towns are located along the banks of these rivers. Fourth one. In which region of India do you live? What kind of climate do you have in the place that you live in? We live in the southern part of India. The climate in south is neither too hot nor too cold. It is a comfortable place for human to live. Multiple choice questions. The dash lies to the south of India. The options are the Pacific Ocean, B, the Indian Ocean, C, the Atlantic Ocean. The right answer is option B, Indian Ocean. Second, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie in the dash. Option A, Arabian Sea. Option B, the Bay of Bengal. Option C, Indian Ocean. The right answer is Bay of Bengal. Third one, India is the dash largest country in the world. Option A, third. Option B, fifth. Option C, 7th. The right answer is 7th. Fourth, the Himalayas lie to the dash of India. Option A, north. Option B, south. Option C, east. Fifth one, the river Ganga and Brahmaputra start from the dash. Option A, Western Ghats. Option B, Bay of Bengal. Option C, Himalayas. The right answer is Himalayas. That's the end of the fourth lesson, Our Country, India. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless you.